Hi gamers, today I'm going to teach you how to cook one of my favorite plates, homemade lasagna. Warning, if you're a child, you should be helped or supervised by an adult. In this case, my mom. For this recipe, you will need We'll start these steps by peeling. We'll start by peeling off the onion and the carrot and cutting them. Our second step is to cut the pepper. Our third step is to peel the garlic and cut it into small pieces. Next, put your vegetables in the blender machine or in the food processor machine. Remember, every time you're cooking, you need to wash your hands so the food is always clean. Next step, you're gonna put the oil into the pan. Wait until the pan gets hot and then pour your meat in. It's easy. Add salt, cumin, and black pepper. We'll start with the salt. Next step is to remove the meat from the pan. And then add oil again and add our vegetables. And after you cook the meat for 15 minutes, like I said, you take the meat out of the pan and add the vegetables. You cook the vegetables for 15 minutes, or about 15 minutes. While we wait for the vegetables to cook, we're gonna open the tomato sauce can. After you open the can, you leave it into a corner. Then you'll grab a concentrated tomato paste and you'll use it into 2 spoons. After this, you come with me. After this, you'll add the concentrated tomato paste into the vegetables. After you mixed it very well, you need to add 2 cups of water. And mix it again. Okay, after we mixed all that stuff, remember the tomato can we opened before? We needed to open another one and we're gonna add it to the sauce. After we mix the tomato with the sauce, now we need to add 2 bay leaves. And while we wait to the sauce to get ready, we're gonna grate some Parmesan cheese. a good exercise. Okay, next step is to make the bechamel sauce. We'll need some butter, some flour, and some milk. So what are we gonna do first is grab the butter and the flour and mix them together. My mom is gonna help me here because you need to constantly shake it. And if you don't, it's gonna turn into balls. And then, when it's melted and not burned, we're gonna add the flour. Remember to shake it constantly so they don't turn into balls. After you added the salt, you'll add some nutmeg. Okay, here comes the funny part. We're gonna start stacking up the lasagna. First, we're gonna do a first layer of the sauce. We're gonna start stacking sticks there. Stick this here. Sorry. No, and we're gonna stack them all. And this is mostly how it's gonna look. First layer, this is the look. Okay, I added some more sauce because there wasn't enough. So now we add sauce in the top, and we're gonna add some this big spoons of bechamel. Then we're gonna add up some cheese, some mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna add some of the other cheese. You will need to repeat the process I just showed you till this is full. And then you're just gonna add some cheese again. Some cheese. And then we're just gonna add our last step is going to put the lasagna on the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees by about 20 or to 30 minutes. So this is the end of my recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You really have to remember all steps. I know there's a lot of them, but if you miss some steps, it probably won't have the taste. I think enough talking. Bon appetit. Homemade pie.
No importa.
¿Qué vas a poner?